Hi, Sanjay. I've got some really great news to share. So, the India Workplace Equality Index that we participated in, so we've actually placed within the bronze category along with several other companies. So, out of the 65 companies that participated in the first ever IWEI survey, we have placed in the bronze category, and we are fantastically excited about this. Just wanted to share that.
That's really awesome, Rupa. It's always amazing to see the work that we do in this arena. Parexel has always been deeply ingrained in the whole D&I policy, right? And we have always focused on gender equity. But as we progress into this journey, I think we need to start expanding our focus on ensuring the entire LGBTQ plus inclusion, which is very important for us as we embark on this journey. I think the IWEI survey has really helped us understand where do we stand, some of the gaps that we need to more to achieve on that perspective. It has really given us that food for thought, like really take a pause and see what else can be done. So the survey has really identified the key issues and the key areas of the policy, and I think we should continue to build upon that as we to become a more inclusive organization as we move forward.
Absolutely. And I think the journey piece of it, starting 1.5 years back, but I think strong sponsorship from you as our country head, our global leadership, I think has played a big part in making sure that we are well on this journey. What the IWEI survey has done is really highlight some of the key areas, like you said. So healthcare, recruitment, how can we be more explicit about including the LGBTQ community and ensuring that transgenders have their place within our organization. I think those are some of the factors that really have come about, and we're excited as a team. We're motivated to do more and to go forward on this journey. So thank you.
Now that's great, Rupa. As I said, we have come a long way, and there's still a long way to go. So, and you have our full support and the company's support as well to make this organization more inclusive as we move on. So, really appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.